Hey, it's Curly Rose, and today I am going to be doing a clay mask. I am using the Aztec healing clay, but there are plenty of brands, so you don't have to use this brand. This is just the brand that I chose. You're going to mix equal parts, just like you're making pancake mix. So if you use a tablespoon of the clay, you're going to use a tablespoon of water or a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. For this, I decided to use apple cider vinegar because I feel like I just get better results, but it's completely up to you. You're going to start by just taking small sections and working the clay through your hair. You kind of want to move fast though, because as you can see, some of the clay is on the top part of my hair. It will get hard and it makes it more difficult to separate your hair. So you do kind of want to move quick. You're going to apply it just like you would a perm or a deep conditioner. Just start at the roots, work your way down, make sure the section is completely saturated with the clay. You're going to do this all over until you have all of your hair completely coated in the clay. Now this does take a while to dry. Mine usually takes me about 20 to 30 minutes to dry, so you can just keep the towel around your neck and read a book, clean up, do homework, whatever you need to do while you wait for it dries. You do not want to use like a plastic cap or anything like that. Just let it air dry for 20 to 30 minutes for the best results. Using this clay is so helpful, and it's a super big part of the maximum hydration method. Using this clay has really helped my hair absorb products better, and I noticed that my moisture bank has risen significantly. My hair is shinier and there's less frizz. I absolutely love doing this treatment. I do this treatment once a week, and it is a very important part of my healthy hair regimen on my natural hair journey. So once this clay is dried, you are going to want to wash it out in the shower. I'd advise that you use warm water because once it's dry, it's rock hard. So when you get in the shower, you are going to want to use warm water and gently massage just to help break up the clay and to help it run through your hair smoothly. Your hair might feel a little dry, but that's perfectly normal. Just rinse out the clay, and then you are going to go in with your shampoo. I am using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo. I love this shampoo, works every time. With the pads of my fingers, I'm going to gently massage my scalp and work up a lather on my scalp, and then whatever excess shampoo is left over, I'm just going to rub it down my hair shafts. I am going to rinse this conditioner off and continue just working it and massaging, just ensuring that all the clay is gone. Once the shampoo is out, you are going to go in with a conditioner. I am using Aunt Jackie's Coco Repair. I know it's technically a deep conditioner, but I like to use it as just a regular conditioner because it's so thick and it gives me great results. So you are going to go in with your conditioner, work it through your hair just as you would at any normal wash day, and you are going to rinse this out thoroughly. This is like the third rinse technically because you rinsed out the clay, you rinsed out the shampoo, and now you have rinsed out the conditioner. So you should have all of the clay out, but just in case, just do a fourth rinse and just the final check through to make sure you have all the clay out. This is the finished result. This clay leaves my hair so soft, so shiny, so manageable. I absolutely love it.